Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. I am Brandy, aka Mama Vapes and Diamond Paints. Oh my gosh guys, I got one of my Drills and Chills canvases. I took it out of the plastic because I thought it was something else, and much to my surprise, it was not, but I'm excited anyways. I haven't opened it, so I just took, like I said, as soon as I pulled off the plastic and realized what it was, I stopped. I will have to put the link to the info, or I'll have to put in the description box when I ordered this, but it wasn't that long ago. It was like August, the beginning of August. It was the beginning of this month, and today I'm unboxing this on August 25th. It won't go up today, but yeah, it got here really quick. And I'm really excited about this one. So, my friend Whitney, I was peeping through her Instagram one day and I saw this canvas and I said, oh my god, I love this. I love it so much. And she sent me the link and I ordered it that night, and it came, like I said, really quickly. So EverMoments toolkit is the branded tweezers, the drill pin with two squishies on it, a plate of wax, 2 plates of wax, and a drill tray. I'm not going to open that. I have baggies that you can write the drills on, teal branded washi tape, and the drills. And I want to see this canvas in person. I'm very, very, very excited about this. I do have, like I said, I do have a second one coming from Diamond Art Club for Drills and Chills. So I have 2. And then they give you all their sheets of paper, and that's the image. Is that not so cute, you guys? I think it's cute. I think it's really cute. And I am super excited to do this one. So I'm trying not to bounce you guys too much. I know my camera still shakes really bad, but it's gonna shake. So like I said, this got to me very quickly. It was like $22. It's a 30 by 40. And we already know that they have a great quality, so I'm not, oh, this thing is not wanting to do what I want it to do. We already know they have great quality at EverMoments, so we're just going to peek at it really quickly. Look at the drill field. And I'm going to lay that flat back down. The canvas is perfect. I mean, it comes in a tube. I don't know how much more perfect their canvases could get than this. I know I say all the time that I'm not a huge fan of double-sided adhesive, but I have found through EverMoment that I'm not worried about it on theirs. I don't want to say I prefer rounds. I just like rounds because they go quicker. So if you want the truth, it's just because they're quicker, not because I don't like doing the squares. It's just about the speed for me, being able to get it done quicker. But this is a smaller one, so I don't think it's going to be too bad. I am going to add some sparklers for squares, so those will be coming. But I'm going to take a quick peek at the drills here that I got, the colors, and I will be getting some sparklers from squares from Timo. I like that green a lot. So that's a pretty orange too. It's a bright orange. So this is going to be my Drills and Chills canvas, and it's from EverMoment. I'm going to link it. It came very quickly. Drills and Chills 2020 starts on September 1st, and it doesn't end until Halloween on the 31st of October. So you have 2 full months of Drills and Chills. So if you order this one quickly, you can even get it for October. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'll link it at the bottom so you guys can get all the details. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. As always, I really appreciate you guys watching my channel, and if you haven't already, subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified anytime I order new diamond paintings or videos of any random stuff. And I hope you guys all have a great day. Bye.